Meaning of Hudson's Bay Company.
Hudson's Bay Company.
Hudson's Bay Company.
Hudson's Bay Company.
Hudson's Bay Company. Hudson's Bay Company is a Canadian retail business group. It is the oldest continuously operating company in North America and one of the oldest in the world, tracing its origins to the founding of the Hudson's Bay Company in 1670. The company operates department stores across Canada and the United States under several retail banners, including Hudson's Bay, Home Outfitters, and Saks Fifth Avenue. In addition to retail, the company also has interests in real estate and owns a significant amount of land in Canada and the U.S.